Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor. Today's product, Pinalen. Take a look at the bottle, 33% more, 3 times more pine oil power. Deep cleans, cuts grease, eliminates bad odors. Pine. Here's the information for the company. Lots of information on here. Ooh, look at that. Okay, enough looking at the bottle. Let's get to mopping. Let's get the cloud cam going here. 1 capful per gallon of hot water. And it might be a little generous. I'm seeing clouds. That's pretty good. Now to inspect the bucket. Nice cloud. Give it the old sniff test. It passes the sniff test. It's not one of the stronger scents, but it does smell great. Prepare the mop for mopping. And as usual, I will go over the floor twice. It's already smelling better in here. And that's first time. Here I go for round 2. And that is clean. And there's a look at the after. Got some bits and pieces here, and the water's definitely darker than when I started. Once again, cleaning the floor with Pinalen Pine. Very good cleaner. Not overly scented, but has a nice pleasant pine scent. Seems to clean well. Thank you for watching.